Hi guys, welcome to this video about how to make a screenshot with a Xiaomi smartphone. So usually with Android you have two options. You can hold the power button and the volume down. So these are here on the right side in my case. I hold it for some time, and so here the screenshot. If I want to edit, I can click on that and yeah, I can send, edit, delete, whatever. Usually with Android 9 we have another option, and that's long pressing the power button. But as you can see here with the Xiaomi, we have only airplane, silent, reboot and power off. But we have another opportunity. So seems they replaced this option with the power button with another option which I really like, and this is if you take 3 fingers and swipe down the screen and it's done. So maybe the first time it won't work, but after some time you will get used to that. It's really no problem at all, as you can see. So that's absolutely easy, and I think it's a nice replacement for the thing with the power button. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.